Hello and welcome to this video 1 in the series on Talis decisions. I'm going to spend a few minutes introducing InfoView, covering how to log in, viewing a document in InfoView and refreshing it. To access the login screen for InfoView, open a browser and enter a URL similar to this one. The machine name for your system will be provided by the system administrator. When the login screen displays, the system field will usually contain @decisions. I'm using a training system, so I have a slightly unusual name here. To log in, you'll need to enter your username and password, also supplied by your system administrator. Then, to complete the logon process, click on the button. Make sure you click on the actual text, as clicking on the grey area around the words won't start the process. So now we're looking at the splash screen for InfoView. Here's the navigation bar with the New button. This is used to create new Webby documents, new folders and categories. I'll say more about these in a moment. There is also the padlock, which is used to log out of InfoView. The navigation panel shows details of the folders that exist inside InfoView. This is one of the ways of organising documents which relate to their physical location. When you click on the plus symbols beside the folder names, then the hierarchy of folders is expanded. You'll see there are two main areas: My folders, where personal documents are held and others can't see them, and public folders, which others can usually view. Buttons at the top of the navigation panel allow you to manage folders, that is, move, copy and delete them. So to delete a folder, I would click on its name to select it and then choose the delete option. I'm going to cancel this action because if you delete a folder, you delete its contents as well, and there is no undo option. As you will have seen, clicking on the name of a folder also displays its contents in the workspace panel. The buttons at the top of the workspace panel can be used to organise the documents, allowing you to move, copy and create shortcuts to them in different folders. For example, if you wanted to copy a document from one folder to another, you'd select it using the checkbox and then select the copy option from the Organise button. I need to choose where I want to copy the document to. I'll do this using this area of the form. Using the plus symbols, I'll expand the hierarchy before clicking on the name of the folder where the copy is to reside. To complete the process, I click on the OK button. An additional way of organising documents is via categories. These offer a way of tagging documents and are managed in a similar way to folders. Deleting a category does not delete the documents attached to it. To view a document in InfoView, click on its name to display it in the workspace panel. To close down a document, you can use the X over here, or simply select another document to display from the navigation panel. You can give yourself more room to view a document by hiding the navigation panel using the toggle navigation button. It's easy to restore the panel by clicking on the button again. When viewing a document, you're looking at a snapshot of how the data looked from a particular moment in the past. The status bar tells you when this was. You can refresh the contents of the report by clicking on the Refresh Data button. Now the report reflects the state of the data as it is in the database at the moment. Note, you should approach the Refresh Data button with caution, as the process could take some time to run. If you want to save the changes, click on the Save button. Leaving the file name unchanged will overwrite the original version, as in this example. The system will confirm that you're overwriting the report. This concludes this video on Talis decisions, introducing how to manage and view documents in InfoView. If you'd like to know more, please go to our website.